welcome back. So, today we're in the game called I Am Cat. So, looks like my forest is this time granite and Granny, you must have had a fall. The woman, you broke a lot of bones and you broke a lot of plants. Whoa. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications so don't miss one of those videos like this. Because if you don't subscribe, Granny's gonna eat you guys, and she's just gonna find her to live. So please subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss my post videos like this. And also, I know I never said this before, but please also share if you find my videos out and you watch me, please start sharing them with other people. That way, and I'm only gonna say this once, so please, make sure that you subscribe, so and share. Mostly subscribe and share. So yeah, and if you want, you can even turn on notifications so you don't miss when I post a video just like this. Oh, one. Anyways, so today, we're just gonna be busting this. So, I don't know, I'm gonna show you, I don't know really what I'm gonna do. I don't want to play this game with you guys, so today, we're gonna find, how to play if Grandma has a husband and he, died or something. Well, I'm gonna try and find out. Anyway, if you guys don't know the glitch, you can actually take a loaf of bread or eat bread, and you can smash it against the fish thing. And you keep smashing it, it'll become zero gravity. And why it's sticking to the fish tank is because it's in the water, but it's really not. It's all shiny stuff. So if you want to do this, just make flying bread or flying basically anything. Yeah, you can do this. Now, I don't know if you can do this with Granny or not, but we'll try and do that at the very end of the video. So, today, finding out if Grandma has a husband. So, our first, I don't know, we're just gonna be looking around maybe. So, I, know there's a picture up here, right here. This must be Grandma. Wait, that's not Grandma. Or, or is it? Because, right here, girl, I don't know, it kind of looks like one, but it also looks like Grandpa too. So we're just gonna put this in our first clue of the day. So this is our first clue, and I'm assuming right there's a fish. So I'm assuming that she had a husband because girls don't really like to fish. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's gonna be. I seriously do not mean it before. Alright, so I'm just gonna assume that's our first clue. Maybe we can find a clue by doing some of our missions. So our first mission that we're gonna try and do, if you know how to do this mission, write down a comment. I don't know how to make a music thing, because every time I make a song on the piano, it never types in it doesn't I don't know, it doesn't put it in that waits it. So I'm gonna try and play one and tell me if it's good or not. Or tell me in the comments how you think it's going. Here we go. Oh my god, my friend Ruth. I guess I'm gonna do it right here because I don't know. Uh, so in the next series, I'll make of this game. I will show you. Like I'll do all this, but I have to do some like I just have to talk to my friends and like who wants me and I have to talk to my friend in real life right now. So I'm sorry, I have things to do, but yeah, in the next series, next time we can talk. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn notifications so you don't miss one. So you don't miss one, so do just like this one, and make sure you share us. And yeah, bye guys. Mom, can you end the video? She's not coming. Alright, so I'm out.